Yeah, D trying to get up out of Chester Creek after a long rain last night. It's nice and chocolate milk out there. I haven't seen anybody catching any fish. See if you can make it up this hill is probably the best action we're gonna get today. He's grabbing on bamboo for support. He's 240 pounds grabbing on bamboo for support. He's almost got it. I think there's a 95% chance he's all the way up. There's 99, 100, he's up. All right. Heck yeah, dude. Oh!
Nice. There you go. And then that preserves the...
Here we go. First fish of the season. There you go, baby. There you go. Hell. Yeah. All right, calm down.
Pretty rainbow. That's probably good.
There it is. Booty.
Didn't bring the waterproof case.
Nah.
Think that's good.
Boom, self net.
Yeah, got him. Yeah, it's recording. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. Hell,
Service, bro.
yeah, 2 for 2.
That's your service.
Hold on. Hold that. Safe. Booty.